know how to start this. Okay, so this is my code. It basically sets up this. On the breadboard there are two buttons, the left one and the right one. And the way that it's set up, the left button allows for there to be a creation of a pixel, but also to move it in the game, the same with the right button.
And this is my code that I was able to make that allows the program to create a window that has a border box outline, and with each time the left button is pressed and held for a while, it will print a singular pixel on the screen, and it has a snake pixel in the middle, and it uses different input variables to randomly plot the pixels onto the screen and allowing a clock tick rate to randomly plot.
It's brilliant code.
Run it.
Okay.
And it starts off with a begin game,
Yes, I
capital
do
Y.
want to begin game.
And then it has to be above 599. And you end up with this screen, and if you hold for a while,
It's hard to see on my camera, but it moves. See the purple one right there? It's moving. Okay, oh look, it's creating them. I like it.
and it makes little pixels. And we had spent a couple weeks on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.